Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a new NEFFEX song here. Not new that, but new for us. It's called Cold. Alright, so Cold is a cool song with a cool melody and an easy strumming pattern, and that's it. So we need to start to set our capo on the 3rd fret. Alright, so with that done, we have 4 different chords to cover. So let's start with those first. We have the A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Right. Then we have F, so you need to bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then comes C, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is G, but with a B in the bass. And that is 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And that will be the chord progression through the entire song: A minor, F, C, and GB. Alright, so we have this cool melody. The song starts with that melody. It's based upon the same chords. So I'm gonna go through the melody chord by chord now. So the first part is A minor. Sounds like this. Alright. So what you do there, you're gonna play the open A string together with the 3rd fret E on top, so. Then an extra 3rd fret E. Then comes the open E. Then back to 3rd fret E. Then 1st fret E. And open E. Right, so that was the A minor part. So open A together with 3rd E, 3rd E again, open E, 3rd E, 1st E, open E. All right. What I like to do, I don't think that's played, but I like to add one extra open A just to keep that open A alive during the melody, so there's kind of a backbone to it. So after I play this, the 2nd, 3rd E here, so I play the open A together with 3rd E first, then an extra 3rd fret E, and then I like to add in between the next, this and the next note, I like to add this open A, so it will be like something like this: 3rd E, open A there, and then it continues with the melody. So slowly it will be something like this. Alright, so like that. And that's just my way of playing this melody here. You don't need that. It's enough to just play the open A in the beginning and just the rest of the notes. Alright, so that was the A minor part. Then comes the F part. And for this one, we will not use the F bass up here on the 1st fret E. That's normally when it's played, because that is the bass note for F. We will use it on the 3rd fret D string. So that's kind of based upon the shorter F chord, so that is much more easier to play with that bass note instead of go up here. So that means 3rd fret on D string together with 3rd fret E. Okay, you play that, then you go to 1st fret E, back to 3rd fret E, then open E, 3rd E, 2nd G, and open E. All right, so slowly it sounds like this. Okay. So again, 3rd fret D together with 3rd E, 1st E, 3rd E, open E, 3rd E, 2nd G, and open E. And the same here, I like to add in one extra bass note in the mix here to keep that alive. So where I'm adding that is right after the first three melody notes, you can say. So you're gonna play the 3rd D together with 3rd E first. Then comes 1st E and 3rd E, and right after that, in between this and the next note, I add the 3rd D as a bass. So it goes like this slowly. So here I add this extra bass of 3rd D. All right, so that was the F part. Then we have the C, and this C part is with the exact same melody as for A minor. The only difference here is you have a different bass note, and that is found here on the 3rd fret A string. So you play the 3rd fret A together with the 3rd fret E, and the rest is the same as we went through for the A minor chord. So bass plus this melody, 3rd fret E, then 3rd fret E again, open E, 3rd E, 1st E, and open E. And then we have the final chord, the GB chord. That part is the same exact as the F melody we just learned. So the difference here is just another bass note. So that will be found on the 2nd fret A string. So we play that note together with the 3rd fret E, like we did here in F part. And then comes the 1st fret E, 3rd fret E, open E, 3rd E, 2nd G, and open E. And that is the melody. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through this a little bit slower so you really hear what we're playing. So let's go for A minor, F, C, and GB. So that is one round, and that is exactly how the song starts with the intro. One round of that. It's so cold outside and so on. So you go for one round, then starts the first verse. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down, so you're gonna play that melody for the first verse, and it will be for 2 rounds of this melody. Okay, then after that comes, still in the first verse, after these 2 rounds of melody, comes another 2 rounds of strumming. So now we need to know how to use the strumming. So it's very, very easy. Of course, the same chords, A minor, F, C, and GB. So you're gonna play 4 pretty fast downs plus a clap. So it's alright, so A minor, F, down, 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 like this. Okay, so in the lyrics, still in the first verse, I won't ever let the doubt creep up. So from there, you're gonna play 2 rounds of the strumming. What I like to do here as well, I'm aware of it's not played here in the song, but just to keep it a little bit more alive when it comes to strumming, it's down, 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 clap, and that's it. I like to add in down, up after this clap. Okay, so it will be okay. It's up to you. I use it or I go in between those different styles here, but the real thing here is down, 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 clap. That's how the beat goes. All right, so the first verse was 2 rounds of melody and 2 rounds of strumming. Then comes the chorus, It's So Cold Outside. It starts with 2 rounds of melody, and after these 2 rounds of melody, still in the chorus comes kind of a drop, It's So Cold Outside again. You're gonna go with 4 rounds of strumming. So The chorus in total will be for 6 rounds, 2 rounds of medley and 4 rounds of strumming. Then comes the second verse. I don't want to break down. That's where we are in the lyrics. It will be 2 rounds of medley and 2 rounds of strumming. So in the same way as the first verse. Then comes the final chorus here. It will be starting in 2 rounds with medley here in the same way. Then comes the drop there, and it will be with the outro. It will be 6 rounds of strumming. So the chorus plus the outro will be in total of 8 rounds. So 2 rounds of medley and 6 rounds of strumming. And that is how NEFFEX cool song Cold will end. So thank you for watching here. If you like NEFFEX, you can be really sure that it will be more songs coming out here on Gordon Guitar from NEFFEX. Cool songs here. So yeah, good luck with this one, guys. See you soon, and don't forget, play tune.